Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix lag or stuttering in Battlefield 6. It's pretty easy. First thing you can try is to just go to search bar and type here CMD. You're gonna see command prompt, just hit right click on that and select run as administrator. Now here we need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS and just hit enter. Now close this and launch your game. If the problem persists, you can try the second method. In this, you need to go to the search bar and search for your graphic card app. In my case, I have NVIDIA GPU, that's why I'm gonna open NVIDIA app. If you have AMD GPU, then in that case you need to open NVIDIA Adrenaline software, and in that you need to go to drivers and check for updates. If you have pending update, then you need to update that first and then you can launch the game to see if the problem solved or not. If a problem is not solved yet, the last thing you can try, just go to the search bar and type your Battlefield. Just hit right click on that and select this option open file location. For any reason, if you're not able to see this, then what you can do, just go and open your launcher where you have installed the game. Then just select the option manage, select the option view properties here, go to open folder. Right here, hit right click on Battlefield 6, select this option properties. If you go to the compatibility option, you need to turn on these three options. The first one is this one, run the program in compatibility mode. The second one is this one, disable full screen optimizations. And the third is run this program as an administrator. Once you do that, click on apply and OK. And yeah, now you can just close everything and just relaunch your game. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.